What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the Bitcoin price had a bit of a drop off. We dropped all the way down to 17,500 and change. Basically filled about half of that CME gap, which basically goes all the way down to $17,000. Guys, are we going to continue down this path, retesting some of these supports, or are we going to break back up at this and retest some of these resistances and hopefully turn them back into supports and keep this chain moving up? There is a lot to talk about. You guys know where I think the Bitcoin price is going. You guys know I've been bullish all year, and I think nothing is changing that right now, guys. We're still being held by the legacy lines. And guys, there's plenty of other coins I wanted to go over. But if you haven't been subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. You can win a Ledger Nano S, and all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment, and it goes off of the comments. And guys, there is no time to waste. I'm going to dive right into the price action. Be sure to subscribe and like. All right, guys, so check it out. We had a bit of a breakdown right here, breaking down into this big CME gap, one of the biggest in history. Touched this legacy line, had a bit of a bounce off it. We did wick below it, but there's talk of it going lower. What is going to have to happen for it to continue to hold where it is and not get a further breakdown, say filling the CME gap down at 17,000? Well, basically, guys, very simply, we have to retake 18,500. That's what needs to happen. Okay, guys, we need to break above right here. We need to punch right back up, get above this line here. I know that's showing, a little higher, but in general, guys, if we push above 18,500, we should be able to punch right through that and then remain stable and keep this upward trajectory. Now, guys, what I think is happening is we're still just putting in higher lows here. So we're still moving upward, okay? It's scary when you get a big drop like that. And in reality, guys, yes, you could have taken profits twice and rebought every single time and still been, making good money here, guys. But no one is that psychic, okay? In reality, you can only go by graph analysis and what could happen. And guys, from right where the peak was, right before December rolled around, we were up at $19,900, new all-time high. We've dropped basically 11%. These drops are normal. 10 to 20% are very normal in a crypto market. You can expect to see those kind of movements. And guys, this is just healthy price action. This is a very bullish trend still. Bitcoin is very bullish. We're moving up, putting in higher lows religiously. Guys, it's that simple right now. Okay? We are going to get a break soon because we had a widening of the Bollinger Bands before. It's tightening up right here. The EMA 20 is down below the EMA 55. So what it looks like is going to happen is we're going to retest support again at 18,150 and maybe get a bounce. And that's what I think is going to happen, guys, in the Bitcoin price. Yeah, we might fill the CME gap and then get the bounce. But in reality, guys, as long as we're staying above 16,200, or let's be even more gracious, 16,500, we're still in a very good shape for short-term bullish behavior. Okay, guys, so I think that we're still in a good place. Nothing to worry about right now. This is just healthy price action. So just hold on to your hats, guys. HODL strong. And guys, I want to talk about Ethereum. Exact same motion going on. And if you guys notice, the same kind of trend. We had an up. I was talking about having a breakdown there. There it is. Okay? There it is, guys. So we did have the same kind of motion, bouncing off support. And if you'll notice, we're still putting in higher lows. So guys, basically on Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm not really worried right now. I think these are great opportunities to scoop the dip. And yeah, there might be another opportunity over the next few days, guys. Just keep an eye on the chart so you can get in the market. You don't want to miss what's coming up over the next few years. I can't stress enough, late 2021, early 2022, you're going to be looking back at these times and saying, damn, Bitcoin was a quarter the price then. I could have bought astronomical, bigger values than what I'm buying today. And guys, it's going to be harder to make money the higher Bitcoin gets. So for instance, say like you bought in at 20,000, you have to wait till 40,000 to get double your money. Okay, 40 to 80, 80 to 160, and so on, guys. You have to really just see the vision of what Bitcoin can be. Get in on as early as you can, as low as you can. Same with Ethereum, same with a few other coins. But guys, you know how I am on Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're definitely coins that are going to be moving in a positive direction. You don't want to miss out on them, guys. It's that simple. And guys, I want to talk about Link. We had the same kind of pullback, same kind of thing going on. Same stuff. Check it out. Higher lows, still higher lows. This one came really close though, guys. So this was an optimal buy opportunity, which was yesterday at around $11.60. Okay, $11.60. That was your optimal buy time. And guys, I think we could get another breakdown down to 11.5 again. So be mindful of that. But even at 12.5, great times to buy Link, guys. Link is going to be, $40, $50 within the next few years. And you're going to look back at these prices and say, damn, I wish I bought more. And in reality, guys, like I said, I bought down at $2. I'm in the best of spots. And it's going to go up much higher than $20 easily. So just be patient, guys. Be patient on that one. I can't stress enough. Link is very popular, very strong. You guys know I always call it the Tesla of cryptocurrency, and you guys will see these pumps that we've just had, nothing like compared to what we're gonna get. Guys, I want to talk about Electroneum, still moving down that rabbit hole. Okay, guys. Basically, if we extended this, what was support, now basically resistance, since we're we're a little bit below it right now, so hopefully we can punch back above it, keep moving to the right. What we want to see is this break out to the right, guys, and not just keep following down this wedge. Okay, we can even tighten up the wedge a little bit here. So for instance, we could move it down just like that. Okay, so hopefully, we're going to get a breakout pretty soon. Hopefully it's a break to the upside, for instance, putting in a higher low, moving the charts up. If you can see from right here, we broke down below right there. So for instance, we had a line that was holding it right there. That broke down, so we can get rid of that for now. But in reality, guys, hopefully we can break out of this to the right. I don't expect a big pump up right now. But in reality, if we break out to the right, then we can get a pump up. Okay, but otherwise, we'll keep breaking down and then get a pump up. And as long as it's continuously holding these supports here, I think we're in great shape, guys. I can't stress enough. This is like a sleeper coin. So when it's in its infancy, they've only been around a few years. This coin will really pump up once it starts to really get recognized by everyone and has a lot of attention going on. Not just that, but the project itself is doing a lot of good things. So guys, with good projects yields good results. And I think when they start getting listed on a whole bunch of exchanges and just the popularity starts to go up, you're going to see the price really shoot up into the cent range. And I can't stress enough, guys, these low prices are just fire sale opportunities to buy the dip. And look at the 52-week range, 0.0017. We haven't moved up much from that. The 52-week high was all the way up at a cent. We're half the price from that right now, guys. These are still great times to buy Electroneum. I can't stress enough. And guys, what's another coin we could look over today real quick? I had some people talking about BAT. If you guys don't know much about them, they're the ones that have the Brave browser. Another very popular coin, guys. And I think this is also moving in a good direction right now. We have a good legacy line being held right now, right in front of your face. So hopefully we continue to move up. For instance, if we break down below 0.20 again, that would be a very bad sign, and we would start a new trend breaking down. But otherwise, guys, the trend since early November has been moving up since all the way down at 17 cents, pumping up to above 28 cents, and then a breakdown. But guys, this coin's all-time highs has been 44 cents. So if we scrolled out, this is definitely a good time to be in on BAT right now just because of its potential to pump up. We could see this coin, up in the dollar range easily, guys. Dollar range over the next few years easily, guys. So I can't stress enough, this is another coin you definitely want to be in on. Make sure you're getting these bags filled. All right. Guys, I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin plunging down below 18,000. Here are the next levels to watch. So the down pressure sees Bitcoin stop trading sideways to fill more of the giant 1,300 CME futures gap on Wednesday. So a lot of blood red over the night, guys. The analyst BTC price should keep correcting. So data from Cointelegraph Markets, Coin360, and TradingView showed BTC USD losing 18,000 support during trading hours after a critical moving average level also gave way. At the same time, at press time, near lows near 17,600 were appearing with a 24-hour losses totaling more than 7%, guys. And there's the graph dropping down from over 19,000 down to 17,700. Again, guys, we're sitting right around here, so we're kind of getting a little bounce. Hopefully it just recovers here. And this was a dip that you could have bought, guys. These are definitely, every time there's a big dip, scoop it up, guys. We are in a bull market. I think the price will continue to rise up to $60,000 at minimum. Okay, so it's going to be up and down, but as long as it's in an upward trajectory, we're moving in a good direction. So the third test of support and breakdown summarized Cointelegraph's market analysis Michael Van de Pope to his Twitter followers on Wednesday. Testing levels multiple times doesn't make a level stronger. Downtrend likely to continue? I think so, unless 18,500, 18,700 is reclaimed, I think we will continue correcting. So guys, what that means is we could easily fill that CME gap if we don't retake 18,500, 700 over the next few days. We could continue that downtrend, guys, but even if it dropped all the way down to 17, we're still in a bullish trajectory, guys. We're still moving the chains up. We're in a bull market. It's going to keep moving up, guys. Just be patient. These are just opportunities to buy the dip. And here they're going over it more. Big players to buy the dip. Both Van de Poppe and others were broadly optimistic, however, noting that the lower levels would provide a buying opportunity for large volume clients. Watch how traders, shitcoiners, and weak hands transfer their Bitcoin to strong hands like Grayscale, PayPal, Square, MicroStrategy, Quantitative Analyst, Plan B argued on Tuesday as Bitcoin's performance began to slip. These BTC will disappear from the market and go into deep cold storage and stay there for years, guys. Why? Because in years, the Bitcoin price will be worth over $100,000. If you're going to know something is going to extrapolate like that, why would you not put it into storage and just wait for the sale? That's what the big players are doing. Guys, if you're in it for short term right now, it's a little choppy right now, and you can buy those dips and probably still remain profitable in a bull market. But if you're doing the HODL coin on Bitcoin, that's exactly what you want to be doing right now, guys. I can't stress enough. I know I say that a lot, but guys, these are just biblical times. We want to be able to accumulate as much Bitcoin and make as much profit over the next few years as possible. And now is the time to be accumulating. And guys, I wanted to keep it real short and sweet. Be sure to subscribe and like. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.